Alright, hey everybody, Zachman18AC here, and it is New Year's Eve tonight. It's 11:26 p.m., which means we are 34 minutes away from 2014. It is time for the final episode of Animal Crossing New Leaf for 2013. Well, it's going to be uploaded in 2014, but oh my god, the Rossetti Surveillance Center is open. Anyways, I have a guest with me on Skype. It's Extreme Game Vids, aka Ben.
Hi there.
He's being very creepy right now. So Ben, are you excited for 2014?
Yes.
Okay. So you know what? Let's actually go inside here because I haven't seen him since like during the summer. So I want to see what's going on down here now. What's up, dude?
What?
Decided to show your face here again, did you?
What?
I'm playing Animal Crossing.
Yeah, I know. Are you showing my face?
No.
Aw.
The camera's all the way down here, bro. Jeez. It's like,
Do that?
Hey, nothing interesting happened. All right. Well,
Interesting.
Rossetti just wasted my time. By the way, guys, I really love this music right now. You guys got to listen to it. I'm gonna be quiet. Me and Ben will be quiet, so you guys can listen to it for a second. Yeah, so you guys get the idea. We got about a half hour left to go. Let's head to the town center here. I haven't even talked to Isabel or Crazy Red. I wanted to wait till tonight to actually talk to them. But look at this, guys. Here's the updated countdown, board thing here. And it looks really, really cool. It definitely looks the coolest one that I've seen in an Animal Crossing game. So let's talk to Isabel. She's got a tuxedo on just like me. Oh, Mayor Zach, you came for the event. I was getting... The heck was that?
Sorry, I was fishing.
Okay. Because it's already so late. Anyway, there isn't much time left in the year. We're down to the wire. You should get mentally prepared to ring in the new year with everyone. That reminds me, I want to give you a little special something. You can't ring in the new year without sparkling cider. Sweet. If you like, you can hold on to it and sip on the sparkling cider while we do the countdown or the fireworks. Sweet. Alright, so let's go to Red's concession stand over here. Hey, how are you? Thanks for stopping by. If you're looking to liven up the New Year's festivities, I'm selling all my items for 300 bells a pop. So we have... Okay. So we've got a party popper, a yellow New Year's hat, and a green New Year's hat. Oh my god, there's a bunch to choose from. Let's go with a green New Year's hat. Sweet. I think there was a blue one too. Is there? Aw. What? Oh, okay. Let's put it on. Yeah, I like it. It says Happy New Year right on it. Alright, so I guess I get a yellow one too. I was hoping to get a blue one, but oh well. If anybody wants to get me one, that'd be great. I don't know why I'm buying party poppers. I've already got plenty. Attention residents, please gather in the event plaza for the countdown to the new year. So, we are a half hour away from 2014 now. So, looks like we got a music change here, so that's pretty sweet. Okay, I actually really like this hat. It's really cool. Okay. So if anybody wants to give me any of the other hats, that'd be nice. Can you like reorder them, I guess? So, anyways, if you guys have any of the other color hats, please let me know, and I'll play with you on Animal Crossing, and I can get those hats too. But I like this hat too, so I'm gonna take my picture. Ah! Ben's not here at the moment, so. Hey, but everybody's gathering in the plaza. What? I just talked to you yesterday. What are you talking about? Oh, no, I didn't want to sit down on the tree. We'll do that at the end, though. Mo? I am getting ready for the countdown. It's gonna be great. Alright, so I thought to celebrate today, New Year's Eve, I thought we would make another snowman. That'd be pretty fun. So let's go ahead and go around here and see if we can try to find a snowman. I've already gotten my number, my number for the for one of my snowmen that I have. Well, the one that I have, but he's looking like he's about to melt, so we gotta make a new one. Let's go ahead and carry the sparkling cider. Oh my god, that's cool. Nice. Does it ever run out? I'm not sure. I'm not gonna take any risk with it. You know, one more sip. That's awesome. Sparkling cider. Alright, so we'll just go ahead and look around here for a snowball. Yes? Where'd you go? Better not be that beer. Yeah.
It's cherry Kool-Aid.
So retail is closed right now, so that's kind of a disadvantage right now, but oh, whatever. I'm carrying sparkling cider right now, Ben. So yeah, I'm actually gonna upload part of this episode to my regular Zach and 18 channel for the intro to my first video of 2014.
Yeah, I'll kind of have to leave like 5 minutes before it is midnight.
What?
Do family thing.
Oh, that makes sense actually.
I'll be here though.
Okay, cool.
For most of it. I'll come back right after it's midnight.
Well, okay.
12:01.
Alright. Oh god, I almost broke that. I almost shattered the snowball. This is really awesome music. But yep, in 6 months in 6 months and 10 days it'll be a whole year since this game has come out here in North America. That is. It's been out in Japan for over a year now, so 27 minutes, I think, right? 27? Yes, or 26. My clock's about a minute fast because I do want to watch the ball drop, which I have actually running on my computer right now.
I have even now.
Does it really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You found the channel finally?
No, it just turned on.
Oh, really?
No, it's starting.
I thought it starts until at like 8. I thought the whole special started at like 8.
I know, that's why I thought.
And they have like a bunch of crazy performances and stuff. Let's go to the plaza here. Alright, in 5 seconds it'll be 25 minutes. Or 25, yeah, 25 minutes. 3, 2, 1. 25 minutes away from 2014. I've got a really cool New Year's hat on right now, Ben. It's pretty sweet. 2014. I think I've dressed pretty appropriately for tonight. I got a nice tuxedo on with my golden sunglasses and my New Year's hat. I think we're pretty much set here. I think this is going to be a really good year. There's a lot of great stuff that's going to be coming up this new year, that is. Especially for this Animal Crossing channel, we've got the festival in February. I'm really looking forward to that. Yeah, a great year. Actually, probably maybe even better than this year. I don't know. This year was a pretty darn good year. But it went by fast.
Yeah.
Really fast. So anyways, guys, let's try to find this second snowball that I seem to be having trouble. Wait, what? Oh, I found it! Oh, it's behind my house. Oh, you little sneak. Sneakiest snowball at all. I guess this is a good way to pass the time, I guess. Making a snowman. What would you do to pass? What did you guys do to pass the time on Animal Crossing? Drink some cider. Yeah, I've got one in my hand right now. In the game, that is. Well, if you had Animal Crossing, I'd love to. In fact, if you had Animal Crossing, Isabel would give you one.
3DS.
Yeah, you gotta get a 3DS and get this game. Because I know you like the original Animal Crossing.
Yeah.
But there's way more stuff you can do in this one. Oh, crap. Get out of here, Rock. Ouch, my freaking hand.
New flash sales on Steam. 2 hours.
Oh my god, I am bumping it into every single flippy thing. Every single flippy thing. Okay, that's not gonna work. God, why is it so hard to make a friggin' snowman?
Oh man.
Okay. Snowman. My favorite. something. Okay, ready? Boom. Did I do good? Yes. Wonderful craftsmanship, he says. Alright, let's play some bingo. I've done some pretty good progress. I need a 45 or a 32. Oh, there's a 4. Can I get a 5? Yeah, 45. That's what I need. So if I get a 32, I'll get a bingo. I'll go ahead and show off my card here in just a second. Ding! Splendid, you're one number away from a bingo. Please do stop by tomorrow if I haven't melted away yet. I am enjoying my bingo game. Yes, I will check my card. Go bingo. So I'll go ahead and show you guys my bingo card so far. As you guys can tell, I just need 32 to get a bingo. So that should be pretty awesome. I wonder if you can get like a two-way bingo or like some kind of blackout. I don't even know. I don't even know. Alright, we're almost 20 minutes away. Today went by really fast. Hey, stopping by? Oh, that's okay. Oh, I didn't even try out the other hat on yet. Let me check that out. Oh yeah, that's cool too. It's like a little party. It's like a party hat. Nice. All right, so I think this is a good time to actually. Okay, I'm gonna drop my shovel, my megaphone, my slingshot, my net, my fishing rod, and I'm gonna pick up all my festive stuff. Party poppers. I'll just leave the green balloon here. Gotta fill up my pockets with party poppers. Gotta be ready to go. Since it's past 20 minutes, let's go ahead and ring one party popper right now since we've got a whole bunch to do. Bam. Party popper, party popper, party popper. Okay. So these ones I need to pop, so I'll go ahead and pop some more here. Kaboski! Bam! Those are pretty cool, actually. I just got a good action shot there. Oh yeah, I got some gifts as well. I need to show those off. What? Oh, god dang it. Dip. There we go. Alright, I'll just carry my cider with me now. Alright, but well, I should actually show off what... Oh, outside? Yeah, guys, if you did... Yeah, if you guys didn't know this, in my neighborhood, I'm not sure if I said this last year when I did my New Year's Eve show on Animal Crossing City Folk, but, I did, hear, like, a whole bunch of fireworks. Like, they went on until, like, 1 a.m. or in the morning. Actually, even 2 a.m. So, people are trying to keep people up. Alright, so I got a few letters in the mail, and I kept forgetting to show you these. I got these within the last week, after Christmas Eve and Christmas. So I'm going to go ahead and drop some of these on the ground here. So I have enough to show you guys this. So Jingle says, that was some of the best Santa-ing I've ever seen. I'll be counting on you next year, too. I'm sending you a little something special so you won't forget about me. Happy holidays from Jingle. So I'll see that in just a second. From Gulliver, he was on my beach yesterday. How are you? I'm good. I made my way safely here to England. I promised you a gift, so I want you to have the symbol of London, Big Ben. And I was there in London, too, so that's pretty sweet. So I'll be sure to put that in my house soon. From Nintendo, with the end of the year comes the excuse to bring out fun decorations like this Karumatsu. What a perfect time to get in touch with your Japanese side. They like to send out a bunch of Japanese stuff. I have no idea why. I was over at Tia's house the other day, so she got me something. Oh, you shouldn't have. So we're going to open all these up now. So I got Jingle's picture. Definitely going to put that in my house. Keep that in my house all year. Big Ben. Definitely. The Karumatsu. And a hand cart. Thanks, Tia. She gave me a hand cart. That's great. Alright, so I actually want to go check out this Karumatsu. So let's see what that looks like inside. Oh, jeez. 15 minutes away, Ben.
Yeah.
15 minutes. Alright. Okay, I can't do it in this room, so let's go to this room.
Oh, Miley Cyrus is playing.
Oh my god! What is she doing?
I don't know, I have the sound muted.
Unmute it for a second. If she's singing Wrecking Ball, I'm seriously gonna...
Yep, it's Wrecking Ball.
Oh my god! I'm so sick of her! Where'd the old Miley go?
I don't know.
I don't get these things that they send you. It's really weird.
At least she's not wearing something too bad.
At least she's not dressed.
Like a fur coat covering everything.
Good. We don't need to see any of that. My phone just sent me a calendar reminder. Pumpkin pie. It doesn't even do anything. I don't even get it. Come on, Nintendo. They're sending me Japanese stuff. A bunch of stuff. In Japanese. Because they like to. Ben's getting messages on Skype.
Nope.
Yes, you are.
I'm not.
That's the Skype sound when you get a message. I heard it. Unless you're fooling me and playing a sound effect from YouTube. I can't do that. Evie can do that.
Right. What?
Evie can, like the. I can't do that. I don't know why. I think you have to like have some kind of special talent. Oh boy. Alright, so I'm gonna put this Karamatsu down. Karamatsu. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna pop 2 more party poppers. Bam. And bam. Okay. Oh, are you kidding me? Oh, come on. I have a lot of party poppers. There's my beans. Let's run around with my pinwheel. There's Becky. It's a little sad to think that today is the last day of 2013. It's been the best year. But the party tonight is going to be pretty good. Chicklet, I'm ready to rock out at the countdown. Alright, 12 minutes, 20 seconds left to go. I'm so excited. What? What? Oh no, I fell in a pitfall. Okay, there we go. Due to an event in the plaza today, our service counter will be closed. The TZMville Town Hall. Alright, so I think before it hits 10 minutes, I think we should go get ourselves a nice cup of coffee. To keep us awake this late at night. Happy! Happy. Alright. 200 bells. Definitely worth it. How much milk would... Okay. How much milk do you want... Should we have with our coffee? Lots, regular, or just a...
8,000.
Oh, no. Stop it. It's either lots, regular, a little bit, or none at all.
Lots.
Lots? Alright.
That's what 3,000 is. Lots.
3,000. Yep, we're gonna take 3,000 gallons of milk and it's gonna flood the entire coffee shop. Where's your logic, Ben?
That's gonna be some good coffee, though.
Dat coffee.
And then put a teaspoon of coffee into the milk. And then add a gallon.
Oh, you commented on his post?
Huh?
You commented on Alex's post?
Yeah.
Alright, the perfect temperature to draw out the taste is 175.19 degrees. Let's drink it. It's so mellow. Adding a lot of milk to coffee gives it such a mild flavor. I'm gonna like that. You gotta love me. Alright, 10 minutes. 10 minutes until 2014. I wonder if the music changed at all. Let's see. They had like a bunch of music changes. Oh, it is new music. I bet they're gonna have something for 5 minutes too. I bet $4,000. So what I've read is that when the clock hits 0, there's obviously gonna be fireworks, but the first fireworks that are gonna be that come out are 2014. It spells 2014. So I'm gonna be sure to look up and actually make sure I can see them. 2014. Did she give me anything else? Wait. Let me try and... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, I gotta pop one of these. I gotta pop one. Okay, can you give me anything else? I was fine until just a bit ago, but now that there's less than an hour to go, I'm suddenly getting anxious. Uh-oh. Hey, everybody's wearing party hats. What? Queenie, I just talked to you 2 days ago. Why are they saying that I haven't talked to them in a while? I talked to them like very recently. Fairly recently. Fairly recently. 8 minutes, 15 seconds. Can't you just feel the excitement, Ben? Alright, well, while you do that, let's go ahead and go up to the Dream Suite and update our town really quickly.
Happy.
Yeah, all the stores are like... Pretty much all the stores are closed now. Why is Club LOL open right now?
LOL.
Yeah, the club's open. I'm gonna check and see if there's anybody inside. Rock it out, DJ KK. There is somebody in here. Oh, this is fun. I seriously need to come to Club LOL more often. I'm gonna make that a New Year's resolution for you guys right now. I want to have like Saturday nights or not Saturday nights, but or Friday night I should say, like Friday nights with DJ KK. That'd be sweet. We can just jam out to his music. That'd be awesome. So I'll definitely do that next year. Make sure you guys remind me about that because I'm probably gonna forget, especially you, Ben. Me. Oh. Alright, I changed my hat. Oh, Ryan Seacrest. I'm so tired of him.
Yeah, no.
Dick Clark was amazing. Okay, almost forgot how to do. Yes, it's update time. Update time. Chocolate rain. Tay Zonday. Tay Zonday.
Tay Zonday. Days on Ray. Days on Bay. Days on Bay.
Updated my town. 36 people have visited it. Bam. Bam.
Bam.
There's Miley for you.
What?
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 Oh my god.
Send you a message.
That was you. I heard that from your side.
No, I didn't. I didn't get the message.
Do I have Facebook? Oh, that's awkward.
That's awkward.
Okay, I closed out Facebook.
Are you sure about that?
Yep.
You sure?
5 minutes left. We got a new song playing right now. There's like 5 different songs for New Year's. I love it. Okay, we're getting close here. Okay, so really quickly here, I need to go find some trees to shake down. Okay. Cause I need to hit 50,000. I need to get 3 more of those same ones. Come on, without any bees, please. No! Run! Yes! Victory! I gotta hurry and do this before the countdown comes.
Countdown.
So yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it here in a little bit here and transition it over to kind of in another part. Not another part, I mean, it's going to be with this video, but I'm going to put that on my regular channel as well, so that should be fun. You mocking me, boy? No? No? Another bee? Fudge! Run! The bees! The bees! Not the bees! You've seen that movie, right?
No.
What? Come on. It's a great Nick Cage movie. Even though he's kind of lost it. Is my thing showing? Yeah, whatever. I need... There we go. That's money right there. I'll pick up those bees' nests later. But for now, we are less than 3 minutes away, Ben. In the game, that is. Don't be screaming out Happy New Year when it actually comes. Yeah, I can see it. Yeah, I'm watching it on...
It was my way.
Oh, okay. I'm watching it on here too, so... We'll probably be saying Happy New Year twice because it'll be Happy New... We'll say Happy New Year for Animal Crossing, and then we'll also say Happy New Year for when it actually hits midnight. Alright, 2 minutes, 20 seconds. You ready for this?
I am pretty ready.
Pretty ready?
Oh, my clock is kind of bad.
I gotta get the tweeter, my tweeter out.
Tweeter?
My tweeter.
Tweeter.
Ben the Witch.
Alright, I'm gonna buy one more. I'm gonna buy one more party popper from Red. Actually, you know what? Screw it. Yeah, I already got a bunch of stuff, so I'm gonna be able to. I'm gonna stay right here. Oops, that's not gonna be good enough. Okay, good. All right, let's talk to some people. It's almost 2014. I know it's less than 5 minutes left. There's like a minute left now. Only a few minutes left to the new year. Oh my god. Oh my god, man. It's almost... There's a train passing by?
Yeah.
Is that what I hear?
Yeah.
Alright, we're about to hit a minute. A minute in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright. So yep, once again guys, I want to thank for all of you guys who have subscribed to this channel this year. This channel has definitely grown this year, especially with Animal Crossing New Leaf coming out, and I appreciate all the support from you guys, especially for my regular channel as well. So let me transition here. Alright guys, I just transitioned it in. This is actually going to be going on my Zachman18 channel. We have 30 seconds left until 2014 in Animal Crossing, that is.
And we got a minute until actual.
Okay, so get ready, Ben, for Animal Crossing here. Alright? Okay, 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Happy New Year. Hope this year is filled with fun and friendship for you all. I'm taking a picture of that. And where's the big fireworks? Boom! Got a good picture of it. Yes! Woo! Happy New Year, everybody. And it's about to hit. And I see it right now. It's about to change. 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Woo! It is officially 2014. Woo! Yeah, buddy. Let's make this new year the best yet for you and me both. It's 2014! Woo! Booyah! Boom! Gotta blow up all my party poppers! Shabooski! I'm gonna do it right on the sign. It's gonna be more 3D effect. Bam! Bam! Alright. I gotta take a picture. It is officially January 1st, 2014. Woo! Start kissing somebody. I wish I could kiss somebody in this. That'd be kind of weird if I look like a human to an animal. Yep, Happy New Year, Ben. It is 2014 officially, and I'm blowing up party poppers like crazy. Let's talk to Gruff. Happy stinking New Year. What? That's not the way to spend Christmas, or not Christmas. Yep. Oh, Mayor, Happy New Year. Let's make a great team again this year as well. Take a picture of that as well. Sweet. Happy New Year, everybody. What should my first snack of the year be? Cookies. What should Mo's first snack of 2014 be, Ben? Brilliant fireworks against the crisp, clear winter sky. I wish Ben could see these right now. It's really, really cool. Alright, you know what? I'm going to show Ben it really quickly here. Here. Here, Ben. You'll see him in a second here. Boom!
Fireworks!
Yeah. Happy New Year, everybody. I'm not sure. Alright, I just cut that in. I just wanted to put that one little part of it for my video. But now we're back to the Animal Crossing episode. What? Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I know. The ones like blocking the first eye, I would think.
I know.
Red says, hey, how's it going? Happy New Year. You looking to start 2014 off with a bang? 2014. Happy New Year, everybody. It is officially 2014, and there goes the fireworks outside my house right now. Alright, let me actually post that on Facebook. Oh my god, dude, look at Facebook. There's so many... I know. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! I'm probably texting people. I'm probably gonna text some people. Oh god. Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! I'm just showing everybody the fireworks now. Happy New Year, everybody! Here's to a great 2014. And you know what? Let's drink our sparkling cider. Does it last forever? No, it doesn't. Okay, good. Oh, I still have more party poppers. And booyah! We got 2 more left, Ben. I'm blowing bubbles now. Everybody's got their party hats on. I got my what are they called again? What's it called again? The oh my god. How do I get rid of it? There we go. The tweeter, that's what it's called. For a second I was going to call it a tweezer.
That's weird.
Happy New Year, everybody. Wow, my voice just cracked there. Oh my god, people are calling me on Skype. I know. Here, I'll update my thing on Skype. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, everybody.
Alright, So I think that's gonna do it, guys. What a great night we had tonight in Animal Crossing New Leaf.
What a great year.
And what a great year we had, definitely. I love this game so much. I haven't had any doubt about this game for a second. This is definitely the definitive version of Animal Crossing in every sort of way imaginable. It is definitely meant to be on a handheld system, in my opinion. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching, everybody. Our New Year's Eve / New Year's Day Happy New Year episode of Animal Crossing New Leaf. I'll make I might add on to something tomorrow. I'm not sure if I'm going to be getting anything in the mail, so maybe I'll add on to that as well. So this is going to be kind of for, you know, New Year's Eve and New Year's Day as well. So, but once again, guys, thanks for watching, everybody. Happy New Year. Happy 2014 to all of you guys out there. Thank you, Ben, for joining me tonight. And thanks for watching, everybody. I'm Zachman18AC.
I'm Extreme Gamers, and that was the first time we did that for 2014.
Yep. And for the first time in 2014, thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you guys for the beginning of a new year in Animal Crossing New Leaf. I'm going to transition over to New Year's Day now, so. But yep, great New Year's Eve. Couldn't have done it any better. Got two more party poppers here. I'll save one for tomorrow morning. Booyah! Alright. Happy New Year, everybody! Alright, Happy New Year, everybody. It is now New Year's Day morning, I should say. Had a lot of fun last night, as you guys can tell. We got some mail here. We got from the post office. Thank you for using your postal savings account. This letter informed me that you've earned a total of 10,140 bells in interest. Awesome. And we also got a letter from our mom, so we better check that. It's kind of a big priority there. Talk to Tia. Alright. I'll clean up that stuff in a little bit. But yeah, we had a lot of fun last night. Went very well, I think. Love this hat, though. And Isabel's still here. Oh! Ah! Get out of here. Oh my god, that's so adorable. Alright. Ah. Sweet. There we go. Alright. What's up, Isabel? She's gonna give me something. Oh, decorations. What? Decorations? A Zodiac horse. Nice. Sweet. Even though I'm a Leo, but whatever. To everyone in TZMville, Happy New Year. Let's hope for a lot of great happenings in the coming months. Alright. Let's actually go check the letter here. I'll be thinking of you as watch for the first signers of the year. I think this year's going to be a good one. Better get me something good, Mom. A wallflower pot. Thanks, Mom. I think I'm always going to be saying it like that. Alright, so let's go to the post office and pick up our DLC item of the month. I hope it's something sweet for the new year. So I do want to withdraw, so I can keep that in an actual total. So we'll do, okay. Alright, Pelly. Ask about a present. Yes, please. I wonder what time they actually put out the item. Hope it's out already. If it's not, then I don't know where it is. Oh, oh, a sunrise lamp. What? That sounds cool. Alright, we'll go check that out in a little bit. Yeah, this is special New Year's Day music. Alright. Pop our last one right here in the middle of Main Street. Boom! Alright, so let's head back down. There we go. Do I keep the axe in there? Thought I usually do. Is my axe already in there? Golden shovel. Huh. What do I have that I can sell? We'll go check out the flower pot and we'll see if we like it or not. Oh yeah, let's go play some bingo. Oh shoot. $32 is what I need. Can't even see the first number. What is it? 19, and I have it. Boom. Come on, I need a 32. Three. Oh, so close. 38. I don't have it. Okay. We're close though. We're super close. Oh, what do I see there? Ouija. Alright. So let's go check out some of these furnitures at the house. See what we got. Here we go. Alright. So, yeah, I don't think I can put anything in here anymore. That sucks. Alright, so I guess we'll go up... Oh god, dang it, I didn't mean to leave the house. We'll clean out our house of Christmas stuff pretty soon here. Oh, I need more room. Alright, let's just check it out here. Oh, it bounces too. I might put that in replacement of the lion. Okay, so I gotta have this on the wall, so we'll put this right here. Even though I already have that. Oh well. Oh, it's a lamp that goes in the wall. Aha. Oh, nice. Now hold on here. I'm gonna sell that flower pot, and I'll put the lamp here. Can I turn it off? Oh, that's so cool! It's like there's a moon, and then sunrise, moon, sun. Alright, in the meantime, we'll put this. My stuff back in here. Alright. Alright, sweet. Love that DLC. And Able Sisters should be open as well as all the other ones. So that's good. Find it. Take that with me. Yes. Sweet. The more the merrier. Let me actually see if I can actually do that. Hold on. Oh, okay. Never mind then. At least I tried. It's been a while since I've checked the comments here on my Animal Crossing channel, so I'll go ahead and do that right now. Yeah, sorry guys if I haven't made a video in a week. This year, I have made it my resolution to make more episodes of Animal Crossing New for you guys. So, especially this summer as well. Alright, close enough. Do I even have enough room for that? Alright, I have 3 spots. That's not too bad. One by one. 8,100 bells. Almost ready to actually deposit some, but I think I took a little bit too much out. That's okay. Ah, get out of my way, Patty. I'm a rich man. And what are all the stuff I have here? Katamatsu, Creepy Coffin, Jingle's Picture, Big Ben, and the hand cart. Well, I can sell the hand cart, I know that. So. Alright, so I'll just deal with these. I'll just do with those. Actually, you know what? Well, yeah. I've already made this episode long enough, so Happy New Year, everybody. Hopefully everybody enjoyed this super long episode, just about an hour long for you guys. I think probably about an hour long, or 45 minutes, but I can't remember. I'll know when I piece this video together. So, Happy New Year, everybody. Thanks for watching, everybody. And like I said, I will promise to put more episodes of Animal Crossing New Leaf up here in this year of 2014. So, Happy New Year, everybody, and I'll see you guys next time for Animal Crossing New Leaf.